Hello guys, today I cook Chinese food. This is Chinese Canton noodles. So this is the ingredients: garlic, onion, and spring onion. Then this one is a chicken. I marinated already with the salt, dark sauce, salt and pepper. And then this is a cabbage, carrots and French beans, and then bell pepper, green and red. But you can use any color or only one color can, yellow or green only can. And this is a Chinese noodle. So now later I continues to cook the pancit Chinese Canton noodles. Thank you guys. Okay. This one, another one is I make pineapple, creamy pineapple chicken. So the ingredients is onion, garlic, bell pepper, carrots, pineapple, and then the chicken. Some more is you can use the Almarai creamy cooking creamy. You can put also potato if you want. If you don't want, this is only. So guys, let's go cooking time. Uy, no, continuous the one.